Ihangwa ryari izoba kanso ya district ya Mbarara yarabyo mu birgo birara kansara w'abakuzire Wilson Bachondozo mu kanso okumwinamira baro kumusibira habwe mirimo yabire nakorera district kandi abirari hakakiko ke byesente Grace Bachondoza muko mugenzi yagamba ngwi bakatunga butandu mirundebere kuratine kandi yaherukireka mu baharwa kabiro rwesabite huire
nasowa kata orwa kabiri takalireke yakata yafudendi hasi mukureba ngo wabira tarugo kukira mukaranga nchasimire mukamanye shabangu amwendeze chombo kirunzi.
He is among the best performers in that committee because he's been able to interpret and internalize the financial statements of income and expenditure. We must know that we need to compose ourselves so well to have him replaced. Short of that, the financial projections may not move right.
Mukuru w'abakozi wa district ya Mbarara yamusima w'ubutashitamira rumi
kandi abiyena mpabura kandi akwabura n'abandi ubona abakozi abutukorana mu district ho yabura nshonga umwamba Bachondoza abiyata kushitamira rumi abenaija akweta akugambira.
Bachondoza worked for UPC.
Bachondoza yafera myaka nkagana mwenda y'obukuru kandi bakansara baturene bacika nawe bamugamba ho nko birari wo mutano
ari nakweta wenka kugambira kahama yareba wakoresha bakugambira kahama agira tukonka uri no kora kubi ati kiti Bachondoza tukozire kubi kandi twena
Konka kuba kigambire natere kukamazima Jennifer yampamya konka ruhanga n'ubishasha ziri mwacho
ba elders okumanya kutwaferwa akabaza kutungira bank icyo n'umukimanya ku district twineho bank ya ba elders ona rebo Bachondoza bank ejo ahi ajihire tino ina orukamanya
ubwo mwanya kugomire kuguru blessing gwa Bachondoza no twakugira tuta twina tumanya kukunda hata nanyine project muhirwe najumye turyo tuza koronshinga evocation twenda kureba yabanye baseko bavukoresha amagezi gona kazoa Bachondoza ni nagiri.
Mukuru wa district ya Mbarara Didas Tabaro yamusima bo kubemanzi no korera ntunguka
mwena bena kunda kureba abanyamahembe seed school netandika kandi kugendo nisho konkani yenda kumugambira hari umushanducho mwena higura hari abanyamahembe tuza kugisupport mpaka erije mu cyo cyagenda.
He was a pillar in the district elder circle. I will personally miss him as a respectable opinion leader and senior citizen I would lean on for advice.
Kanso yahinguza ngo uruguturwa rwishaka kuzahari biro mu rubuciro town kanso barwete Bachondoza road okugumana bamwishiraho kandi naija kuzikorwa katano makagero rwishaka mu rwanya mahembe town kanso. Abwa TV West and Aidan Bataringaya.